Did you know that you can now live and work remotely in Colombia for up to 2 years with the new Digital Nomad Visa? Stay in this video to find out how. If you're planning on coming to Colombia to work remotely as a digital nomad, then let me tell you, we have good news for you. Colombia has a new visitor visa specifically designed for digital nomads, allowing you to come, stay, and live in the country for up to 2 years while working remotely for a foreign company. The Colombian Digital Nomad Visa is part of the government's efforts to promote economic growth and further position the country as a hub for innovation and creativity in Latin America and the rest of the world. Something that's also special about this visa is that it allows you to get involved in the startup community, allowing you to start up a business that's based on digital content or technology information of interest to the country. You are also allowed to exit and enter the country as many times as you need during your visa's validity period. And you can also apply for a beneficiary visa for your spouse and children, allowing you to bring your family with you. So, how do you apply for a digital nomad visa in Colombia? All you have to do is gather all the required documents, which include, take note, first, you must hold a passport from one of the countries or territories exempted from a short stay visa. In the description of this video, we have included a link where you can find out if your country is exempt from these restrictions. Second, you will need a letter in Spanish or English from one or more foreign companies for which you provide services. The letter must include the type of relationship, the type and amount of remuneration received, and that your work for the company is provided remotely. If you have a contract with such company, provide it, or proof that you're a partner or co-owner in a foreign company. Keep in mind that such contract or letter must be duly apostilled and translated. Third, if you're an entrepreneur, you must send a motivational letter explaining your entrepreneurial project, the financial and human resources that you have or wish to have in your venture. Fourth, you will need to demonstrate by means of bank statements to have an income of at least 3 minimum monthly wage salaries in Colombia. That is $762 for each of the last 3 months. Fifth, health policy with coverage in the national territory against all risks in case of accident, illness, maternity, disability, hospitalization, death, or repatriation for the time foreseen of your stay in the country. The next step after obtaining all your documents is to apply online for your visa. When submitting your application, the first step will be to pay a $55 study fee. The final response regarding your visa application can take anywhere from 10 to 30 days. It might take longer in some cases. If your visa is approved, you will need to pay $177 issuance fee. When the payment is received, you will receive your visa electronically. So now, what are the benefits of this new visitor's visa for digital nomads? We could mention many, but at the top of our list lies the fact that you will be able to experience all the wonderful things Colombia has to offer, from its beautiful beaches and mountains to its vibrant cities and culture. And you will also have the opportunity to meet other digital nomads and locals who share your interests and passions. Another huge advantage offered by every visa is that you will be able to obtain a foreign identity card, cédula extranjería, allowing you to carry out procedures in Colombia, such as opening a bank account, getting a cell phone line, or even getting the bills of your apartment on your name and other type of necessary procedures. In addition, Colombia is a very affordable country to live in, so you can stretch your budget and enjoy a higher quality of life. And of course, there is the opportunity to learn Spanish and immerse yourself in a culture unlike any other. Another important detail you may be wondering and that we have to mention is, do you have to declare taxes as a digital nomad in Colombia? The answer is yes. If you have a digital nomad visa and become a tax resident, you must keep in mind that you could be eligible to declare taxes in the country. We will leave a link to a video that we made with more information on this topic. You can also find a link in the description with more information about taxes in Colombia. We do get that this process can sometimes be overwhelming and sound like a lot. We do. Also, moving to a new country isn't the easiest thing, especially if you're not familiar with it. The bureaucracy and even the language can pose an obstacle. But don't worry just yet. Here at Nexo Legal, we've got your back. With expertise in immigration law, a personalized service, and familiarity with the Colombian law, we can make your visa application and transition to Colombia as smooth and stress-free as possible. So, what are you waiting for to apply for your digital nomad visa today and start working from the most beautiful possible landscapes? If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you here in Colombia.